Well, happy Tuesday, my beautifuls. Coming to you today from my bed because I just don't feel like getting out of bed today. But I did get out of bed to go run and grab this treat today. So, drumsticks. You guys know drumsticks. If you were born in the 80s, you've had a drumstick. So, with the peanuts on top, and then you wait until the end, you get the chunk of chocolate at the end. So, we all know drumsticks. So, DQ says, let's put that ish in a blizzard. So, let's go ahead and get in it. So, you guys know the waffle cone business. I wasn't sure because I was like, is it just going to be chocolate and peanuts and some ice cream? So, it's just going to be like a blended up drumstick. Blended with love. Chunks of waffle cone on point. Crunchy, sweet, and delicious. Peanuts aren't too crazy. I thought it was going to be like nut forward. Although I'm choking on the nuts. That's what she said. Anyway, this is really good. It's sort of like a, like a peanut butter parfait. But all blended up. I enjoy this. I think you will too. So I think you should probably treat yourself today. Go get yourself a delicious drumstick blizzard. Have you guys tried anything new lately? Anything fun, exciting going on in your lives? I hope so. Because this shit is getting cray. Every day it's something else. I've been struggling a little bit, and it's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. I think we all are in our own way. But, on a positive note, my baby walked this week. She is the sweetest. She walked, and she's so proud of herself. And she's so funny. And her personality, she just kills me. She just makes me laugh every day. She is busy. And she is sweet, and I love that little chunka. I call her my little chunka. And my older one's doing good. So, for the most part, life's good. But shit's still hard, So, I want you all to hang in there. I want you to know you're not the only ones. We're all right there in this together. But you know what we have to get us through it? Drumstick blizzards. So, I appreciate you giving me a watch. I appreciate you giving me a subscribe. I just appreciate you in general. I hope you appreciate me. If you get one of these, I know you'll appreciate it. Which I got lucky today. Because when I pulled up to the DQ, there was a sign that said, we are completely out of chocolate and twist. And I was like, well, damn. Good thing I didn't want chocolate and twist, but what did Ava want? A twist cone. So I just went ahead and got her a dip cone. Can't be mad about a dip cone. So, drumstick, I give it a 9er. I'm a chunks person in my ice cream. I don't want to eat just plain ice cream with nothing in it. I want shit in my ice cream. You know what I mean. So I like stuff in my ice cream. This is where it's at. So, anyway, I hope your Dairy Queen can get you one of these delicious drumstick blizzards. Or get whatever treat tickles your fancy. But just so you know, this is definitely delicious. Okay. Let me know what you've been trying. Let me know if there's anything you want me to review, I'm trying to get some ideas together. So let me know. Thanks again for your time. Love you guys. I will see you next Tuesday.